Good start. $180, $110. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the latest episode of Trains At. And today we got fence in the way. This is going to be quite annoying. I was about to get a shot of that sign, but it's dried out.
Did you get me in the shots?
Where? This is Mill Hill Broadway, located on the Midland Mainline. We're using services from, as of just there, East Midlands Railway, and probably quite a lot of Thameslink. I'm not exactly sure where to put the camera because, well, this is a slightly big station. Well, it's not that big, but it's just... This fence, as you can see here, is really slightly irritating. Anyway, our first train to make an appearance will be the 12:50 Thameslink service to Sutton via Wimbledon. And I'm going to move the camera to there. There you go, a nice shot of Thameslink. I'm back with the tripod again, which means we'll get some quite nice shots on some trains. $700,043. Okay, now about to depart will be the Thameslink service going from St Albans to Sutton via Wimbledon. The East Midlands Railway Class 180 that you saw at the start of the video was operating a service from Nottingham to London St Pancras. Anyway, with those all going off to their different destinations, let's see what else shall turn up here at Mill Hill Broadway. Okay, now about to make its way in will be a Thameslink service going from St Albans to Sutton. No, straight that, reverse it, the other way around. Sutton to St Albans. 700,052. Well, I'm going to move over here because now that's passed by will be a East Midlands Railway Class 360 going from London St Pancras International to Corby. Actually, a very nice spot to leave the camera in, all honesty. So I'm going to pull over. $361.07 with $361.01 bringing up the rear. Lovely jubbly. Shouldn't have even stopped the camera. Now about to make its way out with 700,052 with the Thameslink service to St Albans City. Lovely. Thanks, Annie. 700,034. With our Thameslink service going to Luton from Rivernova. Cool. Okay, our next train to pass by will be a East Midlands Railway service going to London St Pancras from Sheffield. 222004. Okay. You do you. Okay, just round in the bend will be a Thameslink service going from Brighton to Bedford. on. This one is 700 119. Lovely. Alright, the next train's gone charging through, but yet another Thameslink service going up to Bedford. I think. I don't know. 700 134. Okay, Dan, next train's gone charging around the bend, albeit on going that way. Coming from the other way is going to be a Thameslink service going from, guess what? If you said Bedford to Brighton, you are correct. I'm not going to set the camera because it's slightly difficult in the way the current tripod is currently situated. 700 146. As also moving her particular way in, this is going to be slightly interesting to try and move the tripod, is 700 027, operating a Thameslink service to Sutton via Mitcham Junction. And it looks like our final train of the video is going to be another Thameslink service coming up from Sutton to St Albans. This operated by 700 021. And as she makes her way in, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching this video from Mill Hill Broadway. If you did like what you see here, please do hit like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. 700 027 shoots off into the core of Thameslink as I head off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next